what's up, guys? Bird stand. I'll show y'all how it works. We cleared that out there, and then we put all the stuff right there. Here's the fence. See a bird, you shoot it, I guess. And then there's George over there. Well, here.
Okay, how y'all doing, folks?
And if you're wondering if we're country, if you ask me that one day and say that we're not country, I will knock you up your head. Oh, Mark, hey, you're supposed to point on me. But look.
We'll show y'all how it works.
You got this. You lift it up. Come under.
Or you can go around through here and up.
Yeah, but
and you just move it.
it's all fingers.
Hang on.
It's all junky sometimes, let me tell you. You still recording?
Yeah. Okay.
Hold up. Yo.
Gosh,
No, that's good, that's good. No, it ain't. I swear if this thing done got hung up.
There we go.
Alright. Put it like that. Grab onto here, jump up. There you go. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna lift your feet up like that. You got yourself a bird stand, y'all. Might look like trash, y'all, but I think it looks good. And if you want to,
you can lift this up.
You lift that up.
Up or back.
I don't know what that was from.
And then,
well, dang, that fell. Oh well.
Well,
Hey, you're gonna sit back.
We can push. You can go in there if you want to find a snake.
Yeah.
Or you can take those and put them up here on top where you're sitting. We're about to give y'all a little tour to our next hunting stands and more. We'll give y'all a little tour back in the woods.
Alright, y'all thanks for, here, let me see.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, thank y'all for watching. And my name's Landon, and
My name's Trent Moore. Please subscribe.
and like this video if y'all want to see another video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.